Okay, up here we got a 2024 little Mini X, the VA13 model. She's a 13.5 horsepower gas motor. Got the breaker attachment on this particular one. We got a couple with that attachment that came on them, but you can buy the buckets, augers, all that. We have them in this sale as well. So if you need a bucket, you can get one, or any of the implements. Okay, I'll fire it up real quick, show you how it runs. Come check them out preview day, Friday before the sale from 9 to 4. Questions in the meantime, let us know. Otherwise, that's it. Thanks for watching.